So one of the questions that pops up from time to time is, I get all of these pop-ups. What can I do to stop them? Well, you can add a pop-up blocker. So it sounds kind of like odd. But yeah, there are some of them out there that legitimately do what they're supposed to do. And they don't sell your personal information, or they minimize it. They do disclose it in there that they do collect information. They're honest about it up front. Yes, there are companies out there. There's a couple of different ones that are out there. The one I prefer to go around is AdBlock Plus, and you can find them on adblockplus.org, O-R-G. And I think there is a couple of other different ones, but I'll show you how to add an ad blocker to your browser. Now, this is specific to Google Chrome. Firefox and Microsoft Edge have similar processes, so you may have to look there. So we'll start with opening up the browser, and then we'll go over, and I think I mentioned this in a previous video, you go over to Tools and Extensions, and these are the ones that are already in here. Again, check this to make sure you don't have any bad extensions or toolbars or things you don't want, need, or are known bad. So we go into open the Chrome Web Store. Now Firefox has their own, Edge has their own, but yeah. So we go here. This is where you can get extensions for Google Chrome. So we're going to look for ad blockers. As you can see, there's quite a few. They all have ratings, so that's important to know. These are all have been pre-approved by Google, which is kind of nice that they give you the ratings, and they've already been vetted for security and so on and so forth. But like I said, these are the if you just type in ad blocker, these are the ones that pop up, and these ones are kind of like very specific. As you can see, this one, and this is for YouTube, and then it says block the pre-roll ad. If you are on YouTube, you see the ad before your video. Yeah, but like I said, the one I use specifically is AdBlock Plus. I've used it for years. I've never had a problem with it. And this is them. And see, it's adblockplus.org. Now, org means non-profit organization. So that's something to remember, where these other ones may be in it for the money. These guys aren't. So that's why I use them. 4.5 out of 5 stars. So, but yeah, you just, then you click on it. It'll go to it. It'll ask you, do you wish to add it to Chrome? You add it to Chrome. It'll ask you to confirm, add the extension. It'll put it in the background and downloads it and installs it automatically. Once it's installed, you'll get that little pop-up there. It says it's been installed successfully. You may see a puzzle up here. No action is necessary. You don't need to make any changes. There it is. And so we will now close the browser, and we will reopen it. You can see the puzzle pieces there telling me that there are extensions installed. So that's, again, another way of checking. And see, it's already blocked 2 ads, and all I'm on is a Google website. That's pretty good. So, well, yeah, let's go over to YouTube for a second. And let's find my own website, or my own YouTube channel. And at the moment, because I am so small, this is the only way to find me. You got to type in Computer Garage LLC. This is our latest video that has popped up. Again, no ad. Isn't that wonderful that pop-up actually does what it's advertising to do? And that's the nice thing about it. So I thought I would take stop this so you don't hear my voice over top of my voice. But yeah, no ad. How nice is that? A browser company that actually does what they're supposed to do. Nice. So like I said, that's the one I recommend. everyone has their own personal preference, you know, techie people, but this is the one I recommend, and I've recommended it for years. And I don't want to say it's never failed me, because if you do go to their website and you look at the details, they will say that they're honest. Hey, we allow some ads to come through because they pay us. How much honesty can you get? So, but yeah, so political ads get squashed. Gene ads get squashed. You know, so it's really a good program to have on your browser. And if you're going to have it on one browser, if you use all three browsers, put it on all three. Like I said, the similar process is you go to that app stores, or that browser's app store, and install it. That way, like I said, it helps to stop those pop-up ads. I do believe, now I could be wrong, I do believe one of them does have an independent standalone pop-up blocker for the notification bar over here. So if you get ads this way, it will stop them from popping up over here. I don't know if AdBlock Plus has that one or not, but there is one. The easiest way to get rid of those ads is just to go into your settings and then just turn them off. It's under notifications, I believe. Personalize. It's been a while since I've had to look at this, but yeah, in one of these notifications, there it is. Under your systems, notifications and actions. And you can just turn them all off in one shot. That way that doesn't pop up over there. But, you know, little side tangent for AdBlocker. So, but yeah, that's how you do that too. So if you found this useful, like, share, and subscribe with your friends. There's our Facebook page. If you need it, leave comments and questions down below in the comment section. I do get notices when comments are made, so I can respond to those. If you're having computer problems, there's our phone number right here. Give us a call, schedule us a time, and we'll come take care of you, or you can come to us and we'll take care of you. Either way, talk to you all later.